Have you ever stopped to consider what happens to your assets after you pass away? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But an important one nonetheless. Today we're going to delve into the process of creating a will, step by step, and discuss why it's so pivotal to have one in place. A will is a legal document that articulates your wishes regarding the distribution of your assets and the care of any minor children after your demise. Without a will, these decisions are left in the hands of the state and may not align with your desires or your family's best interests. The first step in creating a will is to take inventory of your assets. This includes property, investments, savings, and personal possessions. It's crucial to be thorough in this process, ensuring nothing of value is overlooked. Following this, you'll need to decide who will inherit these assets. These individuals, known as beneficiaries, can be family members, friends, or even charitable organizations. It's key to be clear and specific when naming your beneficiaries to avoid any confusion or disputes later on. Next, if you have minor children, you'll need to designate a guardian for them. This is a highly personal decision, and one that should be made with careful consideration. Once you've made these decisions, it's time to put pen to paper. While it's possible to draft a will yourself, it's often advisable to seek the assistance of an attorney to ensure all legal requirements are met and your will is foolproof. After your will is drafted, it must be signed in the presence of two witnesses who are not beneficiaries in the will. This is a critical step as it validates the document. Lastly, store your will in a safe but accessible place and let your executor know where it is. An executor is someone you've appointed to carry out the instructions in your will. And there you have it, the step-by-step process of creating a will. It may seem daunting or even morbid to some, but it's a crucial part of ensuring your loved ones are taken care of and your wishes are respected after you're gone. In summary, creating a will involves inventorying your assets, deciding who inherits what, appointing a guardian for minor children if necessary, drafting the will, signing it in front of witnesses, and safely storing it. It's a process that demands thoughtfulness, but it's worth the peace of mind it provides. So, have you thought about what happens to your assets after you pass away? If not, perhaps it's time you did.